Hello everybody, it's Rosie here. Today I have a small project share, but before I go on to show you what I made, I want to take a moment to thank Trisha from A Little Shabby Chic to thank her for the shout out she gave to my channel last week. Trisha, that was very unexpected, and you can't imagine how grateful I am for your support and for encouraging me, inspiring me to open my channel. And now this just mind-blowing. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And also, on another note, I also want to thank every single one of you who have subscribed to my channel. I now have over 100 subbies, and that's something that was also unexpected so soon, for me at least. And I'm just very, very grateful to all of you. Thank you for your kind words of support in the comment box under each video, and for encouraging me, inspiring me, for liking my projects. It means a lot to me. Okay, so today I want to show you what I made. It's a small project share, but I thought it was cute, so here we go. I purchased these little shoes. These are like baby shoes, and I got these from Hobby Lobby, and the original price was $9.99, but I got them on sale at $2.50. So these are like canvas shoes. They're cute. Then they come with a Velcro, and inside there's a leopard print and a faux suede on the sole. I mean yeah. Okay, so then what I did was I created these shoes. I mean, I embellished them, altered them, and this is the final product. And these little bags here I filled with this potpourri, and I'll show you I'll tell you where I got most of the stuff if I can remember. And so I was thinking about sewing or attaching this bag inside the shoe, but then I changed my mind, because I thought this is a bag that you could always remove and refill the potpourri, or you might not want to have potpourri in them in the shoes. So, but I thought it looked cute, kind of like little socks for like babies. So here's the I forgot what you call this, seam binding. Yeah, seam binding that I attached to the back of the heels of the shoes, so you could dangle these somewhere. Okay, so let me just remove the bags for now and show you what I started off with. This here is a lace that I had to tea dye, and I bought this lace from an antique store in Pennsylvania, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So I cut a piece from this area and I attached it here. Okay, and then I attached it here and basically the front of the shoe. Then on the bottom of the shoe I attach this lace right here. This lace, okay. And this I got from an antique store in Long Island, Northport Antiques. I got this from a booth. The name of the lady is Mary. Hi Mary. She told me this is French lace, and she has awesome stuff, just great stuff. on her boot. She has 2 or 3 booths, I think. Okay, then I attached this trim, which is this one right here. Okay, that's the one in the front. And then flat back pearls on each flower center and here too. And you've seen these in previous videos. This is my box that never ends. It's from Michaels, and it has different sizes of flat back pearls. So what else? Oh, here on the side I attached a piece of this trim. I cut this corner right here and I attached it there. Okay, this is from my stash. I had this for many years. Okay, then here in the front, on the strap, on the shoe strap, I attached this trim right there and attach little pearls in the center of each loop. Also, oh, right underneath this lace I attached this. Let me see which one is, oh, here. Oops. This trim that I got a couple of weeks ago at an antique store in Pennsylvania, where I was not allowed to record, sadly, but whatever, we have choices. We have plenty of places. Okay, then I attached this here. This trim here is this one. Let me just unravel this a little bit to show you. That's this trim here. Okay. Okay, that's that. Then let's see what else. Oh, here in the back of the shoe I attached this one, this trim. This was from my stash, and I had to avocado dye it. I mean, most of the laces, trims, I had to tea dye and avocado dye previously. Okay, so that's, oh, in case you're wondering where I got these little wooden sticks from, they're from, I believe, either Michaels or Hobby Lobby. I thought they were cute to keep your trims in order. Okay, then oh, and then here at the end of the strap I put a little rose, and that came from this trim, which was also avocado dyed. Now, oh, continuing to on the back of the shoe, same trim as the front, here overlapping the first layer of trim, and right underneath this I attached the seam binding in cream and this pink, and this pink one has sort of like a silver edge kind of fraying, really pretty, but it's really subtle. That silver is very, very subtle. And then a little pearl in the back to finish it off. And here, this is another trim that I can't remember. I think I got this from an antique store, most likely. And that is, oh, let's see. I guess it's this one right here. Okay, that's it. Alright, and then also inside the shoe I cut this piece of velvet. That's it. It's a cream velvet, and I attached it here, and then on the sides just to cover the leopard print, which is, it's also nice, but I just wanted this shoe to have a shabby chic look. I attached this satin in a champagne or beige color, and in here on, I don't know if you could see that, this trim underneath here, I avocado dyed it, and that is, let's see, oh, here, this trim here. This is from an antique store, which I recorded my purchase from last week, from an antique store where, like I said before, they don't allow me to record, and it's okay. And then right underneath here, this area, I attached this kind of lace, I mean trim, and here on the edge I attached this trim, and this one came from Teresa's booth in she's in actually two stores that I know of. She's in Louisburg Antiques, and the other store I can't remember the name, but this is from Teresa's booth. She has amazing stuff. Hi Teresa. Okay, here on the around the Velcro, I cut off little pieces that look like bows, like tiny bows, and that came from this trim. Okay, and let's see what else. And then the seam binding, which I already showed you. Seam binding to dangle the shoes by. Oh, here also little tiny detail right here on the side of the shoe. It's from this, and this came from Michael's. And this trim, oh, actually this trim I already showed you, goes around here. Okay, and that's it basically. Now these bags, the little sachet bags, you could find them anywhere, even at the dollar store. They have them at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, you name it. So they usually come like plain without any little flowers, but you could just attach any little flower as you wish, and you could fill them up with potpourri of whatever fragrance you like. I ordered this fragrance from a store called napavalley.com. So this is the gardenia scent. They have assorted scents. I ordered a bunch of them, and lavender, rose, I don't know, they have a lot of variety you could order from. Okay, so here's the name in case you want to order. I'm not being sponsored by any of the places that I mentioned. I just want to share with you where I get my stuff from. And this I got from Teresa's booth a couple of weeks ago. And that's all basically. So you just put the potpourri bags inside the shoes, and you can dangle them, and you could give them as a gift for like maybe a baby shower, or I don't know, it's up to you. I think it's a cute gift. And yep, that's what happens when you don't tie the bag. You have to tie it really, really tight. It's okay. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you. And I also made something related to these little shoes, but that's gonna have to be for another video. Okay, so thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.